Calaquachera, here we are by the cathedral in Luxembourg. So come and join us. Ate Emily will open the door.
Ya, tulak mo.
Push.
And here is actually in the first floor is the church. This is the Cathedral of Luxembourg.
Your first time here?
No, second.
Nice, huh?
Yeah.
It's really beautiful here in the Cathedral of Luxembourg. This is actually Our Lady of Consolation, the Madonna with Child. You will see her, Madonna and Child. And it's called Our Lady at Consolation. And it is the Cathedral of Luxembourg, here in Luxembourg. Yeah, the window here is so beautiful. Look, stained window. Yeah, everything with details. It's really beautiful. And they also have a beautiful organ there by the entrance. And Saint Joseph also is here. And that is the beautiful organ and the beautiful ceiling of the church. Look. Nice, huh?